Hey everyone, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace this part. You can find this part on Amazon. I will have that link down in the description for you. So first step you're going to want to do is release it. By release it, I mean release the carriage from the trolley piece itself, which is a little black bullet that moves back and forth. And you do that by just pulling down, just like that. From there, you also need to release it from the arm, and that's just by removing this little pin here. Just like that, very easy. So now you can see this whole piece, that's what we're going to be changing. This whole piece moves back and forth, and there's a little bullet here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyhow, this piece is free from the rest of the opener. So now what we need to do is release the front here, because we need to be able to pull it forward and out. So we need to be able to pull this piece out through the front so that we can replace it with a new one if we needed to. So to do that, you have to remove the little pin here as well. This is just going to free it up from the header bracket. The little pin, cotter pin. You just kind of push it out. That slides the whole. So now the whole front of this garage door opener is just free. It's kind of dangling, doesn't have anywhere to go. So now that this is free, what I'm going to do is just kind of pull back a little bit and go to the side to where just enough for me to be able to pull that out. So you guys can go ahead and watch as I do that. So just kind of go to the side. Again, shouldn't worry about it too much. You just go as far as you need to. Just like that. So you see, I did go kind of far. Usually you don't have to go too far, and sometimes you can just kind of pull back too, and that gives you enough room. But that's the whole part. Like I said, that's what we're changing here. So once you got the new part, to put it back into place, you just do the same exact thing you just did. Go to the side, as far as you need. Slide it back into place. That's pretty much it. So from there, put your cotter pin back in for the header, like so. Put the little clip back on so that it doesn't fly out on its own. And you also reattach the arm bar, which goes here. Just like that. Put the clip back on, put the pin, and re-engage the trolley by pulling that backwards, and you can see that clicked right back in for me. That's pretty much it in terms of changing the trolley on a Liftmaster screwdriver model 3240. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love it if you could subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thanks for watching and supporting the channel. We will see you guys in the next video.